So what are you doing, babe?
I'm making snowman Christmas cookie.
Oh wow, snowman. Cole, what are you doing?
I'm making
Oh. Quinny, what are you doing?
Okay.
You testing the cookies?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, Cole.
Wow, that's a nice looking cookie.
Make one cookie?
Yeah.
You want to do one?
Yeah.
We just squirt a little bit, okay?
I just.
Just a little bit. And here's the blue one. But just a little bit on the cookie, okay?
Just a little bit.
Yeah. Squeeze it.
Cole, what are you doing?
I'm making my cookie.
Making a cookie? Nice.